How to convert your Facebook friends into followers. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this 3 horizontal line. Scroll down and move into Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down until you see the option of how people find and contact you. Tap on it. Right here you can see 5 different settings. Head over to all of this option manually and set the settings to public. Once it is done, go back to your settings and privacy. Head over to post. Tap on who can see your future post. So here also you need to set the settings to public. Once done, go back to your privacy and settings. Head over to stories. Move into story privacy. Set the settings to public and then tap on save. Now once again go back and head over to followers and public content. Apply the settings to public. Right here you need to make sure that all the settings are on public. So this is it, and this is all you have to do in order to convert your Facebook friend into followers. I really hope this video is going to help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.